Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're gonna show you how to do the hard reset of your Honor 20. The operation is helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need to press and hold volume up and power button together when the phone is turning on, and keep pressing until you're gonna see the magic logo. Still holding. Yep. Now wipe data factory reset here option. Yes. And click done here. I need to press few times because my digitizer doesn't work properly, I suppose. Anyway, I can't click on it, but you should click on done and it will be continue with erase all data and do the factory reset of your phone without any passcode and the password of your phone. So that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.